Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use TinkerCAD. I will be going over how to use the workspace and the tools that come with it, along with how to create shapes and the different settings. I will also show how to align and group shapes. Okay, to start off, this is our workspace. In the corner over here is our settings. If we press this, then a tab should pop up, where we can change the dimensions of our workspace. Over here is our units. I am going to change mine to inches. As you can see, now our work plane is different. Underneath the settings is the snap grid of how much cubes are inside our work plane. You can change this however you like. To navigate around the work plane, there are buttons on the left where you're able to zoom in from the plus and zoom out from the minus. You are also able to move around from this cube. This button over here allows you to adjust your screen to fit the shape you have selected. As an example, like so. If you have a mouse, it is much easier to use TinkerCAD and to navigate through. On the right over here is our basic shapes. To put down a shape, simply click and drag. The black squares on the shape are able to adjust only one side of the shape, while the white squares are able to adjust multiple sides of the shape. This cube button on the top adjusts how far the height of the shape is from the works plane. Over here is how you can rotate your shape. There are two of these buttons, one on the top and one on the bottom. You can also add a ruler in your work plane to constantly see your dimensions of your shape. This is the ruler button and is also R. And you click on your shape and you can see what the dimensions are. There are also other tools in the basic shapes. There are shapes like animals and structures and more. To align two shapes together, click on both of the objects by clicking and dragging or clicking Shift. Then find this button up here or click L or press on L and you will see these buttons pop up. Then click where you want it to be aligned. Usually we use the middle. Then group. You can group by clicking Ctrl G or this button up here. Okay, say we want to import, ignore that. Okay, say we want to import a file or a SVG from online. Then we just find our file, so mine is a cat, and make sure it is an SVG. We find an SVG file, and mine is a cat, and we just go to import and choose file. Then I click on it and open and import. It may take a while depending on how big the file is, and we want to adjust it to fit the work plane. So we can make it smaller by clicking the white over here and controlling so it's the same width and length. And then there we have it. We have imported a SVG file from online. When your final project is all complete, then we just go to Export, Save as an STL, and then we will open it up in Cura later on. That is all for the TinkerCAD basics. Thank you.